You're probably doing at least one of these things, and it's costing you more than just your money. It's costing you peace. It's keeping you stuck. I know because I've done them all. Let's go through 7 habits that are quietly keeping you broke. And more importantly, what you can do to actually start moving forward. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Jason. I am not a financial expert. I'm just your kuya that has made a lot of mistakes. And I learned how to do better one habit at a time. This video isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Because once I stopped finally lying to myself about money, everything changed. If you want something deeper, I made a free checklist that walks you through a simple money reset. You can grab that in the description. No catch, no spam. And if you're really ready, there's a full guide that I created. I'll talk more about that at the end of the video. Let's get into it. Every single time that you make more money, your life gets a little bit fancier. You get a raise and you're suddenly ordering more takeout, buying new clothes, upgrading your tech gadgets. But your savings, still empty. I've been there. I remember getting paid and feel like I deserved spending every single dollar. And listen, it's okay to enjoy what you earn. But if your lifestyle always expands with your income, you'll always feel like it's not enough. The fix: when your income increases, increase your savings first. Just a little. Even $50, $20, $10 even. The goal is to break the pattern before it becomes normal. Just $5. You tell yourself that 10 times a week. That's $200 gone on things you don't even remember. Coffee, snacks, random Amazon buys. But they added up faster than my rent. Fix: you don't have to eliminate all small purchases. Just ask yourself, do I even remember spending this? If the answer is no, it probably wasn't worth it. This was me for years. No budget, no check-ins, just vibes. But vibes don't pay off credit cards. If you're avoiding your bank app or credit card statement, I get it. But ignoring your money doesn't make the problems go away. It just makes them louder. Fix: do a weekly 5-minute check-in. That's it. No fancy spreadsheet. Just look at your app, look what went out, and ask, what am I proud of? What would I do differently? I put all of this into a simple free checklist called Money Reset. It's linked below. It'll guide you through all of this without overwhelming you. Monthly payments are sneaky. They make things feel affordable until you have like 7 of them and you barely have any money left. A financed couch, a financed phone, a car note, BNPL on clothes. It all adds up. Fix: before you finance anything, ask, would I still want this if I had to pay for it in full today? That question saved me from so many dumb purchases. If you can't buy it twice, then just wait. You'll thank yourself later. When life hits, and it will, the difference between peace and panic is an emergency fund. It doesn't need to be $10,000 right away. Even $250 in a savings account give you breathing room. I used to feel like if I didn't have thousands saved up, it wasn't worth saving at all, but that mindset kept me broke. Fix: start small, $10 a week. Skip one thing and stash it. That's the beginning of peace. We don't always notice this one, but it's there. We buy things for the outfit photo, for the approval, for the vibes. And half the time, those people don't even notice, or they don't even care. Fix: shift from how do I look to how do I feel after I spend this money. Quiet confidence is the goal, and quiet money grows faster. This one's real. You'll think, eventually I'll start saving. Eventually I'll invest. Eventually I'll figure it all out. But eventually only happens if you intentionally do something different. Fix: don't try to fix everything at once. Just start with one thing, even if it's grabbing that free checklist that I made. That's a better move than what 90% of people are making today. And if you're ready to take this seriously, not in a pressure-filled way, but in a real way, I made something for you. It's called Figuring Out Money. It's the exact reset I wish I had back when I was feeling behind, broke, and overwhelmed. It walks you through the 4-step Kuya method that I use now to stay consistent with my finances. No spreadsheets, no boring lectures, just real talk, simple strategies, and reflection. You can check it out in the description, and if you want to support it, thank you. I made it for people like us. You are not bad with money. You've just never been shown a way that actually made sense. That's what I'm trying to do here. So be gentle with yourself. Change doesn't happen all at once, but it starts the moment that you decide to try. You got this, and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.